Meaning of gallop.
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 Gallop. Gallop refers to a rapid, bounding gait of a horse or other quadruped, characterized by a simultaneous lifting and landing of the front and hind feet in pairs. The gallop is a thrilling and highly energetic display of equine athleticism, often used in racing and equestrian events. This fast-paced movement can cover a significant distance in short periods of time, making it an efficient mode of transportation for both horse and rider. Overall, the gallop is an impressive and powerful display of strength, speed, and agility that has captivated horse enthusiasts for centuries.